But I'm like any other traveler. Because I'm sure business people come to Madiokolo, you know, however rich you are, when you reach and this is the facility that's there, you're going to use it. Now this is the best that we have. I sent a team to look for the best. This is the best that is there. Other than sleeping in the car, you can walk out there, take a quick shower. It's just one day. Of course it could be better, it can be better, it must be better. Like I said, how I wish there were other factors that influence people to invest. Because this business in this place, the population is packed. There can't be business here if there are incentives. For example, if it was easy to access this place, I'm sure even the people that are born in this place would want to invest here, to invest in their own homes. A place like Madiokolo should have a good nightclub, should have a good recreation place, should have good lodges and all that. But you find that if you build a good lodge, how people are going to access it without electricity now. As you can see, there's no electricity here. And that's because of some factors. So for the government does not have to build lodges for people. Yes.